I was forgetting words mid-sentence, walking into rooms and not remembering why, feeling tired after 8 hours of sleep. I thought I was just getting older, but it wasn't age. It was brain fog. And once I fixed 5 simple vitamin deficiencies, everything changed. If you're over 40 and you feel mentally slower, more forgetful, or just not yourself, this video is for you. Brain fog isn't a medical diagnosis, but it's very real. It's that feeling of mental cloudiness, forgetting simple things, struggling to focus, losing motivation. And it's more common than ever, especially in women over 40. Here's why. As we age, our nutrient absorption declines. Add stress, lack of sleep, hormone shifts, and processed foods, and you've got the perfect storm for cognitive decline. The good news? It's not permanent, and it's not dementia. It's often fixable with the right micronutrients. Vitamin number 1, B complex, especially B6, B9, B12. B vitamins are like spark plugs for your brain. They help produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and acetylcholine, critical for mood, focus, and memory. B12 also supports nerve health and oxygen delivery to the brain. A deficiency here can lead to mental fatigue, memory lapses, low mood, brain fog, tingling in hands and feet. Sources: grass-fed meat, eggs, leafy greens, nutritional yeast. Tip: use a methylated B complex. Look for methylcobalamin B12 for better absorption, especially if you're over 40. Vitamin number 2, omega-3. Your brain is 60% fat, and omega-3 south are the fats it craves. EPA and DHA reduce brain inflammation, support cell membranes, and improve communication between neurons. Deficiency is linked to slower thinking, poor focus, depression, brain fog. Sources: wild salmon, sardines, walnuts, flax seeds. Tip: choose a high-quality fish oil supplement with at least 1,000 milligrams combined. EPA plus DHA, bonus if it's triglyceride form for better bioavailability. Vitamin number 3, vitamin D. 3. Most people think of vitamin D as the bone vitamin, but it's also one of the most important nutrients for your brain. Vitamin D3 supports mood regulation, immune health, and brain function. It directly impacts levels of serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good chemicals that affect your focus, clarity, and motivation. If you're deficient, you might feel low mood or mild depression, mental fatigue, brain fog, irritability. Sources: sunlight 15 to 30 minutes, day, salmon, egg yolks, cod liver oil. Tip: if you live in a cloudy area or use sunscreen regularly, consider supplementing with D3. Aim for 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily. Check your levels first. Vitamin number 4, magnesium glycinate or threonate. Magnesium is the calming mineral, and your brain can't function well without it. It regulates the nervous system, supports deep sleep, and helps reduce anxiety, all of which are essential to mental clarity. Over 50% of adults are deficient, especially women over 40. Signs of magnesium deficiency include difficulty sleeping, brain fog, muscle cramps, anxiety, or restlessness. Eye twitches. Sources: pumpkin seeds, dark leafy greens, almonds, avocados. Tip: choose magnesium glycinate for relaxation, or magnesium threonate for brain support. Both are gentle and well absorbed. Vitamin number 5, choline alpha G, PC, or CDP choline. Choline is the unsung hero of brain nutrition. It's the precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory, learning, and mental clarity. Without enough choline, your brain struggles to send signals efficiently. You may feel like you're forgetting words or can't concentrate. Choline deficiency is especially common in people who avoid eggs or meat. Common symptoms: memory issues, difficulty focusing, spacing out during conversations, word retrieval problems. Sources: egg yolks best, beef liver, soy, lecithin, salmon. Tip: consider alpha-GPC or CDP choline supplements for cognitive support, especially if your diet is low in animal products. So far, we've covered 5 key nutrients your brain needs to stay sharp after 40. 1. B complex. 2. Omega-3. 3. Vitamin D3. 4. Magnesium. 5. Choline. Coming up: how to know if you're deficient, and how to get these nutrients through food or supplements the right way. So how do you know if you're actually low in these brain-essential nutrients? Option 1. Get tested. Ask your doctor for a simple blood panel that includes vitamin B12 and folate, vitamin D325 hydroxy, magnesium RBC magnesium, OMEGA3 index. Choline not always included. Ask specifically. Option 2. Symptom-based clues. If testing isn't available, pay attention to your body. Do you feel tired even after sleeping? Struggle to focus or remember names? Low mood, anxiety, or irritability? Muscle twitches or headaches? 1 or 2 signs DAN-T confirm a deficiency, but several together can be a red flag. Start with food. It's always the foundation. Add 2 to 3 eggs per week for choline. Eat fatty fish twice a week for omega-3. Add dark leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Spend 10 to 15 minutes in the sun. Daily no sunscreen. If you decide to supplement, choose methylated B complex. Pick high-quality fish oil triglyceride form. Use vitamin D3 with K2 to improve absorption. Go with glycinate or 3 and 8 magnesium. Try alpha-GPC or CDP choline for targeted brain support. Always check labels. Avoid fillers and, if possible, consult a professional. Brain fog isn't just something you have to live with. It's not just aging. It's not in your head. It's in your cells. And once you start giving your brain the raw materials it needs, everything changes. Clearer thoughts, better memory. If this video helped you understand your brain better, hit like, subscribe to HealthyHubOfficial, and share this with someone who feels off but can't explain why. Which vitamin was most surprising to you? Tell us in the comments, because when one brain gets sharper, we all rise.